Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel V Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm gonna do today is going to be another sublimation haul. You guys really enjoyed the first sublimation haul that I did, which was from Five Below. So today I went to Michael's. Okay, so I got a bag full of stuff for us to sublimate on from Michael's. If you are like an avid crafter, you know that Michael's has tons and tons of stuff, and I spent way more money than I should have. A lot of the stuff I got, you can't even sublimate on. I just needed it, so I grabbed it. But I did get some sublimation goodies here, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. The first is this Easter egg. This is a wooden Easter egg that I got from Michael's. It was $5, $4.99, and you can hang it up. Now, the way you sublimate onto this, and I'm gonna do a whole video for it, is by using the lamination pages, the laminating pouches. And I'm gonna do a whole video on how to sublimate on wood products, but this wood Easter egg, we're gonna do a cute little maybe sunflower spring design on this, and we're gonna sublimate it. Hopefully we're gonna sublimate it, and we're gonna use the lamination paper for this. So I got one of these to hang on my front door, but it's gonna be more like hello spring type of print with some sunflowers. Okay, the next thing I got are these what are they called? They're called canvas panels. Okay, you can get these from Dollar Tree as well, and I have seen tons of videos where people sublimate on these from Dollar Tree with the same the laminating strips. I'm trying to see how much this was. It doesn't have a sticker on it. Let me see if I have my receipt. I think it was like $5 or $6. Okay, here's my receipt. So this was, okay, so this was $10.99, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So there's 5 in here for $10. So that's about, you know, that's a little bit more than the Dollar Tree ones. But I kind of like these ones because you can write on the back of them. I don't know if you can see that, but you can write the title, the artist. You can write, so for me, I'm gonna maybe sublimate my kid. I think I'm gonna sublimate my kids' pictures onto these and hang them up in my office. But on the back of it, you know, because it has these little spots here to write on, I'm gonna write, you know, their name, their age, the grade that they were in when I made this. So I can, even if I take it down, I can still, it can be a keepsake for me. Okay, and the way you sublimate on this is going to also be with the laminating paper, the laminating pouches, and I'm going to do a video on that as well. Actually, I think I might just do this one today. I don't know, I might do one of those today. I'm not sure which one. Okay, the next thing I got is a Cricut pillow sham blank. It's an 18 by 18. Now this is 100% polyester, and I got this in the Cricut section, and they say that you can use this with infusible ink, which I do have a video on infusible ink versus sublimation. As long as it's 100% polyester, you can sublimate on it, which this is. It's a pillow. I'm gonna make a Fortnite pillow case for my son with this. The next thing I got is the Cricut cosmetic bag blanks. So it looks like a makeup bag. Okay, again, I got this in the Cricut section with the infusible ink supplies. You can use this for infusible ink, but I'm going to sublimate onto it. I'm not sure what design I'm going to use. I might use the design I tried to use on the other makeup bag, the acrylic one that I melted. It said could be makeup, could be snacks. I think I'm going to sublimate that onto this. The next thing I got is, and a lot of people do already know about this, is the Cricut brand shirts. which you can use for infusible ink. I got a medium. This is going to be for my son. You can sublimate on it. I've subbed on these 100 times. I know tons of people have subbed on these 100 times. They are a little on the expensive side. I think it's $10 for one shirt for an adult size shirt, which is why a lot of people tend to go with Gildan because they're cheaper. These are a little bit more expensive, but the quality of them is really, really good. So these are really good shirts to sub on. The next thing I got, I don't think I can sub on this. I think it's 100% cotton. I may use my, if you see my sublimation on 100% cotton, you know that I have the Spray Bright. So I think I might use the Spray Bright to sub onto this bag. It is a Black History inspired tote bag that I found. And I found it in the clearance section, so it was $9.99, but I think I got it for $6, I believe, because Black History Month is over. So I did find this, and I think, like I said, I'm going to use my Spray Bright. And I'm going to sub on this, and I'm going to use my Spray Bright that I have Solution, and I think I might do an updated video because I do have a sublimation on 100% cotton shirt. So I'm going to use this the same Spray Bright, and I'm going to sublimate onto this canvas. All right, and the last couple of things I got are these wood letters. Now in this thing behind me over here, I was trying to find little knickknacks to put inside of these cubbies, and I found these letters, my initials, AB. I can't tell, well, it's not backwards this way. AB, Angel B Designs, obviously. And I wanted to, you know, kind of put them, display them in there like that, with the B and maybe the A on the other side. And I want to put a design on here. I'm not sure what I want to put on here yet, but we are going to be using the same laminating method to sublimate onto these as well. Once I figure out a design, I'll do a video for it so that you guys can do it with me. But that's all the stuff that I got for today, and I think I'm going to sublimate onto these bags today and this pillowcase. So we'll do these two today, okay? So I will meet you over at my craft table. Okay guys, so I'm back here, and then I do have I'm going to be doing inside of the Cricut, the bag, the Cricut makeup bags came two sizes. Let me lift this up. Came two sizes. So you have a bigger one, which was this one, and then you have one that was a little bit smaller. So it was actually three that came in the bag. There's two small ones like this, and then there was one big one like this. Okay, so I'm gonna sub on the big one and the small one. This image, which is might be makeup, might be snacks, I'm gonna put this on the bigger one. Okay, let me get my lint roller. I'm gonna go ahead and just lint roll this. I am gonna be using my Easy Press, my Cricut Martha Stewart Easy Press that I got from Michaels. It's preheating right now, 400 degrees, and we're gonna sublimate these for, how long are we gonna do? We're gonna do, I'm gonna do 50 seconds on 400 degrees, okay? And I'm just lint rolling this. And I printed these images off with my Silhouette. I do have several videos on how to print in the Silhouette Studio. So I'm just going to place this on here. And then I'm using a little bit of my Cricut heat tape to hold it down. And I will link all of my materials down below. My printer, my ink, my paper, all of that information is going to be linked down below. Let me get some butcher paper. My butcher paper and my cutters will also be linked down below as well. We're just going to cover this with our butcher paper, and we're going to go ahead and press for the 60 seconds. And like I said, this is on 400 degrees. I'm sorry, we're gonna do 50 seconds. Make sure you're pressing down, adding your pressure. You don't have to like lean all the way on it, but put a decent amount of pressure on there. If you're not a part of my group, which is called Crafty Mamas with an S, check us out on Facebook. We got about 10 more seconds here. And this is the bigger of the two bags that I'm doing right now. Okay, just gonna remove the butcher paper and then go ahead and remove our tape. Wow, that is really vibrant. Look at that. It didn't burn like our other bag did. And I didn't put it on top of the zipper. I put the heat press starting right here underneath the zipper. Okay, so here is our bag. Might be makeup, might be snacks. I thought that was really cute. I'm actually going out of town in 2 weeks, so I'm gonna use this bag when we go out of town. Okay, there's that bag. Here's the second one. Same exact process. I've already cut it. I'm using the Black Girl Magic, which is the same that's on my shirt. I have it in a PNG as well. Just printed this off. I'm gonna cut some of this, more of this white off so I can see what I'm doing better. Okay, same thing, just going to put it down. I'm going to tape it so we don't get any ghosting. Take my butcher paper. We're going to cover it. And press. All right, so I will be back in a minute. All right, so it has been the 50 seconds. All I did was remove my heat press. I'm taking my butcher paper off now. OMG. Look, it is so it is so vibrant. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me turn y'all so you can see. That is so pretty. Okay, again, didn't burn, didn't melt. We're all good. Color is vibrant, popping. And I got this image off of Etsy. I will link down in the description box where I got it from. It comes in this color, the yellow and the black. You can change the color in for the PNG image. If you upload it to Photoshop, you can change the yellow and the black color if you want to. I didn't. The black and yellow is fine. It also comes in SVG file, which is on my shirt here, and you can just cut. I did white and pink glitter, but I will link where I got this image from down below. That is our bags. Again, these are the Cricut bags. I will link all my ink and everything down below. We do have a pillow sham. I have to use my heat press for that because it's bigger. So I will meet you guys over there. Okay, so I'm over here at my Easy Press. This is the pillow sham, which is a pillowcase. It's an 18 by 18 pillowcase, which is why I couldn't use my Easy Press. The image is a little bit bigger. I'm just gonna get my lint roller here. Gonna lint roll it. Now this one has a lot of creases and wrinkles, so I'm gonna do a pre-press on this just because it's not necessarily laying flat, and I don't want to get any like creases on it where the image is gonna be laying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a pre-press for a couple seconds so we can get it flattened. Okay. And then here's the image. It's going to be a Fortnite image. I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. Let me get my heat tape. I'm just going to tape this down. Okay, and then I'm going to get my butcher paper. And we're going to cover it. My heat press is preheated to 400 degrees, and I am going to press this for 50 seconds. All right, so I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so it's done pressing here, and like I said, I did it for about 50 seconds. Just going to take the butcher paper off, and then here is the image. I'm going to peel the tape off. Oh, wow. That looks really good. All right, and here's the pillowcase cover. I'm gonna put the pillowcase in there. And I just got this 18 by 18 pillow. I want to say I got it off of Amazon. 2 came in a pack. All right, my son has trying to have a Fortnite room, so he can stick this pillow right in his room on his bed. Okay, and there is the pillow. I think that looks super cute. Colors are really vibrant. Came out no ghosting, no nothing. I think that looks really good. So like I said, all of these materials I did get the sham, and then the 2 bags are from Michaels. Okay, the Cricut brand. They're in the infusible ink section. That's where I got them from. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. If you want me to have any video ideas or stores that you would like me to visit, I do have a couple on my list, like Dollar Tree, Big Lots, TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target. I have a pretty long list going of places that I'm going to try to get sublimation items from. So if you have any other stores, drop those down below and I will check them out and try to get this content up for you guys. But thanks so much for watching. Bye.